So welcome back to the channel, BMF Speed Shop. So I'm out here with heavy metal. So if you're new to the channel, introducer, this is my welding truck. It's an 82 GMC k20 High Sierra 6.2 diesel sm465. It's got 14 bolt in the back, Dana in the front, the 456 gears. It's got custom bumpers, custom brush guards, custom mural on the hood. All that stuff was done by Al Kobowski in 1991. So some stuff since I've had the truck, I just got some new tires. So we got the Yokohama Goelander XDs on there in the factory size. And I absolutely love those. I mounted this little vise on here with some threading block. So yeah, it's the truck. I drive this thing all the time. It's kind of like my shop truck. Just got these tires on here. Absolutely love them. Really look good. Put her in a little granny low here. So there's our crawling speed.